Now, if you want to make your emails interactive, that doesn't necessarily mean you need a developer, right?
Yeah, exactly. For example, it's incredibly easy to add over effects on button. I'm going to show you here a few examples. The first example here, I chose this beautiful email that is for Mother's Day. And as you can see here, we have all the CTA inside this email that has the over effect enabled. Let's build this CTA together. Let's go inside the builder. And as you can see, this is the static version of the CTA. So we need to go here inside the navbar and then enable the button hover. Here, I want to set the background color to transparent, the text color to the brown, and then let's set 1 pixel of border to all sides as the same brown. And that's the magic. So we have the button hover enabled. It's very, very easy to this function, and it's make your email stand out more. The second example that I want to show you is this one. So this email contains a special CTA over effect, and I'm going to show you right now. So if I hover this button, as you can see, it seems like I'm really clicking the button. So it's like a 3D visual element. Let's build this CTA together. Let's go inside the editor and let's create this over effect. As you can see here, we have a border for the static version that is top left with a 2 pixel border. Instead, on the right and the bottom, we have a 4 pixel border. To accomplish that design, that over effect, we need to set the border the opposite that we have in the standard static version. So let's go on more option and let's set the right and the bottom border pixel to 2. And then we have the top and the left to 4. So you can preview directly in the email editor that the over effect that we just created.